Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Space Saver telephone. This is Donald's Equipment from Virginia, and he's got a note with this unit, and he's talking about the transmit and the receive. He's not getting any transmit, and the receive is very, very low. And so we're going to be going through the entire telephone on our troubleshoot, and we're going to be taking care of the issues. Now, this unit has a line cord, but he wants a modular port installed inside this telephone so that when he installs it, he can simply walk up to it and plug in any length, any color line cord that he chooses, and it makes for a simple, easy plug-and-play connection. We also want to go ahead and show you the unit. This is the initial checkout, and we're going to clean up the telephone a little bit and go through it. We want to go through the rotary. We want to oil, clean, and adjust that. We're going to clean the finger wheel and the numbers. Might clean the body a little bit, but he's going to take care of any final polishing of the case. We don't get into that cosmetic part of it. And so now what we want to do is we want to go ahead and plug the unit in. I want to see if it sees the analyzer, and it does. It hangs up. We'll do that one more time. We're going to try to let you listen for this dial tone. It's very, very faint. The video might not pick it up at all. We're going to go ahead and transmit. I want to tap the hook switch and make dial tone go away. You'll probably see a 1 come up. And I'm going to go ahead and transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That red light on the analyzer should be lit right now as I'm transmitting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it does not light the light up. So we know that this unit does not have any transmit, and the receive is very low. We also want to give you a look at this unit. We have the cover loose. We want to remove the cover. Our network, our hook switch, of course our line cord is going to be replaced, and there'll be a modular port installed here. This gives you a look at the inside of one of these A&E Space Savers if you've never seen one before. Now they have a sticker on the back that's GTE, and that sticker, these were pulled in to the factory and they were reconditioned or gone through, and then they would slap a GTE sticker on it. And basically what it is an A and E. And I don't know if the video will pick this up or not, but the A and E logo is right above my pointer here. So these are cool telephones. You don't see them around that often, like you see the Western Electric versions, but the A&E are really cool telephones. So, it's really nice to see these when they come in. And we're going to get a start on this unit. We're going to go ahead and take a short break, and we're going to start working on it and troubleshooting and repairing the issues. And we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair and conversion. So we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are in the middle of the process of repairing this Space Saver telephone. And we want to go through a little bit about what's going on. We went ahead and troubleshooted the issue with no transmit and very low receive. We found that the network was improperly wired, so that issue has been resolved. We have our transmit back and we have our receive back. We also cleaned our finger wheel, and that turned out really nice. This finger wheel's in good condition, and it cleaned up really well. We also cleaned the number plate on the rotary. That is porcelain, so that turned out really nice. We're in the process of repairing the rotary. We want to oil, clean, and adjust that. And I want to give you a look at this if you've never seen the inside of the rotary with our points and all of our connections. And that shows you and gives you a good look at the rotary dial that it has in it. And it was pretty clean, but the points were dirty, and you need to oil them after a few years. So that was all taken care of, and we made a slight adjustment on the points. So we're getting ready to put that back together again. This is also the plate that would go over a protection plate over the back of the rotary, and that would fit on there like that. And that covers up your points and protects them. And you know this telephone has some age on it because you have a metal protection plate. They stopped doing that years ago. So now we want to put everything back together again and get this squared away. We're still going to be installing a modular port so that it can be plugged into any length line cord. It makes for a simple plug and play connection. So we're going to be working on that situation also, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair and conversion of this telephone. So we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this Space Saver telephone, and we're going to run through a little bit about what went on. We went ahead and went through the transmit and the receive, troubleshooted everything, and the handset cord. We found that the network was improperly wired, so that issue was resolved. We wired this telephone the way we wanted it wired to work the way we want it to work. We also did a still picture of the line port for our line connection, and that is so Donald can simply walk up to this telephone when he installs it, plug in any length line cord, any color, and it makes for a simple plug and play connection. We also went through the rotary. That returned smoothly. It was oiled, cleaned, and adjusted. We cleaned the finger wheel. We removed the old sticker on these A&E telephones. That's basically a sticker. On a Western Electric, the number would be printed and then it would be tucked up underneath the finger wheel, and on A&Es they basically would print the sticker and then stick it on the outside of the finger wheel. And Donald can print any kind of a sticker logo that he chooses and then stick it to the front of the telephone on the finger wheel, because he's also going to polish the body up, and he plans on putting this unit into service and using it. So that's a cool idea. And we also went through all of the connections for the network and the hook switch. So basically what we want to do now is start our final checks. You're going to notice our pickup here. That's an amplified pickup, and I have it taped to the receiver because at certain periods of time you can pick up a little more static in the air than normal, and I have that situated, and we're going to go ahead and use that so that you can hear the audio from the receiver while we're doing our final checks. So we want to go ahead and use the analyzer. We're plugged into it. I'm going to go ahead and plug the line in, and I want to give you some dial tone. I'm going to turn the amplifier off. We're going to dial our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light there on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. So we know that this unit, the hook switch is working. We'll give you some dial tone when we do that. We know it has transmit, we know it has receive, and we know it's dialing out. So now what we can do is we can go ahead and push this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out and totally takes the analyzer out of the situation. And we'll go ahead and call a time and temp number. So we'll push that button. We'll give you some dial tone. And we'll call that number.
Express service available at almost every Auffenberg dealership. Open later during the week and Saturday for your convenience. Today is Tuesday, January 6th. The time is 7:39. Current temperature 32 degrees.
Partly cloudy today with highs in the upper 20s, blustery and colder tonight. Partly cloudy, then becoming mostly cloudy with a chance of snow after midnight, lows around 9. Bitterly cold on Wednesday, blustery with partly cloudy skies. Then becoming sunny with a chance of flurries, highs around 12, temperatures falling into the single digits by midday.
Okay. We can hang up. We can call one other number. We can call my number and it'll be busy. We'll give you some dial tone. And we'll call that number. We can turn our amplifier off. We can unplug our line cord. Now that we know that this Space Saver telephone has been repaired and converted, we can return it to Donald and he can enjoy it now. It's a very cool A&E GTE Space Saver, and these are highly collectible telephones, very sought after, and I'm sure it's going to look great no matter where it's installed. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.